On the border between Nebraska and Wyoming, on I-80 sits Pine Bluffs, Wyoming. This small Great Plains town, which was at one time one of the largest cattle shipping points on the Union Pacific Railroad, has an official town elevation of just over 5,000 feet and a population of around 1,200. Today, Pine Bluffs welcomes westbound travelers to their state or bids eastbound travelers a fond farewell on I-80, US 30, and the Union Pacific Railroad, earning its nickname as the Frontier Crossroads. From the sky, it's not hard to recognize why this settlement, first known as Rock Ranch, later changed its name to the more fitting Pine Bluffs. Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS, already in progress. My name is Tom, and today I hope you enjoyed the bird's eye view of Pine Bluffs, Wyoming, as you will now continue our ride along with me on westbound I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me in fulfilling my channel's mission, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of the trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 to Nevada and California as we make our way into the state of Wyoming, driving from the state border with Nebraska and the town of Pine Bluffs to I-25 in Wyoming state capital of Cheyenne. Also, don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of fun facts about our route and Wyoming, as well as a trivia question. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, like lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, 3 beautiful national parks, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you can join me on my adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and in between new videos, it'd be awesome if you could check out other videos from this or my 3 other 4,000 mile plus western road trips, so you can compare how these places have changed, or better yet, help you plan your adventure through here. If you missed any of the days before this one, you can catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out with a like or sharing it with someone. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy this content. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways to help make more videos like these possible. So make sure to check it out. Now that that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Wyoming. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and maybe sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 in the state of Wyoming, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.